Good morning, guys. How are you all? I think you'll be fine. ओके यहाँ पे हम स्टार्ट करेंगे क्लास 10th के लिए चैप्टर नंबर 1 लाइफ प्रोसेस, जिसका दूसरा पार्ट है या सेकंड पार्ट है, जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं रेस्पिरेशन। रेस्पिरेशन के लिए सबसे पहले हमें ये जानना होगा कि रेस्पिरेशन क्या होता है। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय रेस्पिरेशन? Respiration actually here is a respiration written in that form. So moving to that one, we have to know about what do you mean by respiration. Respiration is the life process, or you can say the biochemical process in which there is an exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place. By utilizing the oxygen, the food is broken down into the smaller pieces. What it is actually? The respiration is the life process or the biochemical process by which the food is broken down into the smaller pieces by consuming the oxygen and releasing the carbon dioxide. So here is a respiration. Where is the respiration takes place? What is the purpose of respiration? Respiration सभी में हो सकता है। Respiration किस में होगा? सभी में। Living from a microorganism to a large, complex, and you can say the dominant type of all living beings. So here we can just prove it by using some criteria or using our concern towards the biological processes or towards the biochemical process. Before moving ahead, we have to know very well how it can be possible into the different organism. Different organism had the different type of organ. As you know, in case of aquatic animals, the respiration takes place by using their gills, and terrestrial organism using the lungs for the respiration. This respiration cannot restricted or cannot limited over here, but it can also be takes place in case of plants as well. Plants take the oxygen and take the carbon dioxide and give the oxygen. Why? Because in case of a plant, they will have to produce their food by using the carbon dioxide. No doubt the plant also have the some amount of the oxygen by their cuticles, or you can say the lenticels. They observe or they obtain their oxygen. There is a less amount of oxygen required, but the most of the oxygen is produced by the process of photosynthesis. And photosynthesis is the process that can take place by exchanging of what? The oxygen and carbon dioxide by underlying pore opening or opening of a pore present besides or beneath the surface of the leaf, which is called as stomata. Stomata having the small pores by which the exchange of gases may take place. And you can see there is a two type of a respiration. First one is what? Aerobic respiration, and next one is anaerobic respiration. What are these two? The first one is aerobic respiration and the second one is anaerobic respiration. What does it mean, aerobic and anaerobic means? Aerobic is what? Air. Aerobic means wherever the air and oxygen is present, you can say. Wherever the air is present, that is called aerobic respiration, and wherever the oxygen is absent, that is called anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration occurs always in presence of oxygen, and anaerobic respiration always in absence of oxygen. Why? Because it is called as aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. So in case of respiration, we can say the process of a respiration in which there is a requirement or there is a presence of oxygen is required. This is called as a aerobic respiration, and the respiration in which there is a there is no requirement, there is no need of oxygen, and that process is going to be explained as a anaerobic respiration. How could we just differ from one another? How could it be separate? How may we differ from one another? This terminology is going on to be the behalf of aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So moving on aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration takes place by the process of digestion. By the process of digestion, here is glucose obtained, and these glucose are broken down or simplified into the smaller pieces. Why? Because as you know, the whole amount of the food cannot be digested by our body. It has to be broken down into the smaller pieces, and these smaller pieces has to be moved through our body by the blood cells or the blood vessels. These blood vessels having a essential type of a nutrition that are broken down by the process of what? These respiration, and due to which the energy is produced, and this energy be used or consumed by our body for performing the different type of activities, due to which we have to play a vital type of activities or a different type of activities in our daily life. So here is glucose obtained, and this glucose is written in that form C6H12O6 plus oxygen. That means we are talking about the aerobic respiration. So here is a requirement of what? Oxygen, and this is the glucose which is come from the process of a digestion. When the glucose mixed with the oxygen, it will be converted into carbon dioxide, water and energy. Carbon dioxide, water and energy. C6H12O6 and oxygen, when they are mixed together, they will form carbon dioxide, water plus energy. This energy now be used as a different activities, which is in the form of ATP. What is ATP denoted as? ATP is called as adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate, and this adenosine triphosphate is consumed in our body for performing a different type of activities. And moving on to the anaerobic respiration, there you can see either they may the lack of oxygen, either they may have the absence of oxygen. When we are talking about these processes takes place, all these processes takes place in case of what? In case of our cytoplasm, in case of a mitochondria. So here is the presence of number of oxygen, there is a lackness of oxygen, and might be there is some absence of the oxygen. That means absence of oxygen. In case we have to know that if there is an anaerobic respiration takes place, so these C6H12 and O6, there is no oxygen is present. So what will happen in case it will be broken down into C2H5OH प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लस एनर्जी। जब हम बात करेंगे एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन की तो यहाँ पे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर और एनर्जी निकलता है। लेकिन जब हम बात करेंगे कि जब बात होगी C6H12O6 की, जहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, तो ये ब्रेक डाउन होगा किसमें, एथिल अल्कोहल में और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड में। अगर इसी एथिल अल्कोहल को हम देखें तो ये एथिल अल्कोहल सबसे पहले क्या होता है, पायरुविक एसिड में टूट जाता है। पायरुविक एसिड यहाँ पे 6 कार्बन का होता है, फिर पायरुविक एसिड और ब्रेक डाउन होगा तो क्या बनाएगा, 3 कार्बन का, फिर 2 कार्बन का बन जाएगा C2H5OH। तो ये पायरुविक एसिड है। पायरुविक एसिड के बाद ये पायरुवेट में कन्वर्ट होता है और पायरुवेट के साथ साथ सम अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी रिलीज करता है। ये कहाँ पे होगा, ये होगा किसी भी यीस्ट में, या हम कह सकते हैं फंजाई में। तो यहाँ पे देखते हैं दूसरा केस, जब हम देखेंगे कि लैकनेस ऑफ क्या रहता है, लैकनेस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन रहेगा, तब क्या बनेगा, इफ देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ ऑक्सीजन C6H12O6 फॉर्मुलेट करता है किसको, ये फॉर्मुलेट करेगा, ये भी मसल सेल्स में होता है। और लैकनेस ऑफ, लैक ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, जब लैक ऑफ ऑक्सीजन में होगा तो क्या बनाएगा गाइस, ये बना देगा